Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing of this Xiaomi AirPOP anti-smoke mask. I got them recently and this is from their Eco brand. So the Xiaomi Mijia is rated for PM 2.5. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so it has a nice box, a few informations, PM 2.5. So this should be okay for dust and pollen. If you are allergic this time of the year, it's good to have something like this to help you a little bit, if you are not on medication, of course. So inside here we have two filters. And the mask itself. The strings are adjustable. It has a rubber lining here, probably to have a better seal. And like this, it will not give you any kind of protection, of course, because this is just the outer shell. But let me take out the filter here. Okay, I see now how they achieve sealing. So this kind of rubber is really tacky, so it will nicely contact your skin and will prevent Okay, so it should be something like this. Here and here. Or no? It should be the nose piece right here, yeah. Let me check it out. Okay, so it was a little bit more pressure to take it under the knurling here, and then it will be applied. So this is form-fitting to your nose. Yeah, it feels comfortable, but yeah, this will require a few hours of wearing to be sure that it is comfortable. So right now I cannot tell you. Keep in mind this unboxing. I will wear the mask, and we can talk in the comments if you like. You can just check in after some time, and I'm more than happy to reply. So overall, you are looking at a double protection microfiber protective cover plus 5-layer filter. They are stating in the description. It's skin friendly, breathable material, soft and easy to form. The PM 2.5 anti-haze protection up to 98%. So I don't know if this is true. 98 protection of what? This is definitely not a respirator, so I would not say this will offer you 89 protection. 89 protection from what? From dust? Probably yes. From other particles, I'm not sure. So this version is for adults. It comes in black and white, and the size are approximately 15 times 12 times 3 centimeters, or 5.91 inches times 4.72 times 1.18 inches. So they really do not specify how long is the time you can wear this mask. I would say if this is just for standard anti-dust or pollen, then probably this will be good for maybe a few weeks. Definitely depends on the sealing here, how long it will stay good or comfortable, of course, to wear it. But then the other aspect is also the hygiene of this mask. I would not recommend to wash these filters, because maybe the internal structure will be damaged. So definitely you will need to have spare filters with you. Price wise, you are looking at around under $20. Let me check just quickly here. I have paid $18.99, so that was with free shipping from China. Yes, it took a really long time. I don't know, 3 to 4 weeks, maybe over a month. And spare filters are not cheap either. So when I saw them, they would go for around $14. So yeah, they're not that budget friendly. If you are searching for a more budget friendly option, then probably you could go with the PM 2.5 filters that can be inserted in just a regular cloth masks. That would be much cheaper. Then you can buy 100 of them for around $20. So definitely you have more for your money. But then of course the sealing on the seal with this product is much better than with your standard cloth face mask. Interesting product. So I just wanted to share with you the unboxing. If you are looking at this product, so you know that what will be inside the box. I will put the link down below. if you are interested, you can go and check out the site, but these are fairly available everywhere, so AliExpress, eBay, and all sort of other stuff. So this is a standard product from Xiaomi. Okay, so okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can. And if you have any questions, then just let me know. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. If you are not, then please consider subscribing. I try to release at least 3 videos per week, mostly knives and gear oriented, but sometimes also stuff like unboxings of books, Warhammer stuff, and hobby in general. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.